Hi everyone! I will show you in today's easy tutorial how to set a task priority in Asana.com. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into it. On your Asana homepage, go to the left side menu and click on My Tasks. Here you can see your tasks and I already show you how to add one. So I'm going to add one more. Let's say pitch meeting. And in order to set a priority, you need to find the priority column and then select the one aligns with your task. And you can select your priority level. Let's say it's really important for me, so I'm going to say high for this. And for article, I'm going to say it's not that important, so I'm going to click on low. And for video essay, let's say medium. And then you can click on sort and you can sort by priority level. So I'm going to say priority and then that's it. That's how to set a priority in Asana.com. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others find this video. Thank you for watching.